This is it in the trunk of my car. There's the car. Alright, so fuse box. I'll show you where that was roughly cut. So this is the plug for the ECU that was having issues. So it's somewhere between this plug and like there is what he's saying. He thinks it's just the two wires. It's from about there to like maybe the firewall that are mounted. But yep, here's the harness. I believe it was like this plug also was looking a little gross. So there's that. And then if we go check out the car, there's the plug. There's the ECU. Let me just put the thingamajig up. There we go. Alright. So he has all that in the shop. So, like, that, it has that, you know, the plastics for the intake, all that, and the battery. So, that plug looked a little gross, but it wasn't an issue, he said, electrically, but, you see, so, the other one would come with that. So, basically, what you're looking at is cutting it right there on the fuse box. So you see this little bit comes out and it goes to that headlight, does stuff down there, goes around, and I believe it might power over there the fan, but that's the fuse box. That's actually how it came stock from the factory. So if you looked in here and thought that was some kind of, you know, mess with the shit, that's not what we believe after checking on one of the forums. But then again, forum people could be wrong, so it could just need to be from that boot in to here and a few other things. And yep, there's the new motor in it. And then if we check the inside, I just don't want to get crap in there. Yep, got the Mazda 6 floor mats, keys in it. I'm actually kind of pissed about that. That shouldn't be in there. What the fuck? I'm gonna have to take that out. Comes with the Black and Mild. Doesn't smell like anything. It just smells like a car, you know. Doesn't smell bad. Doesn't smell good, honestly. Oh, he put everything in the back. What a kind gentleman. That was not there an hour ago or two when I was here. So, all right, it's got all the shit is in the car. Yep, and then there's the cover for the cargo. So, yep, there's the car. I'm gonna have to take that fucking key out. God damn it. Oh, you get the whole shebang.